In this video, I'll be showing you how to install Unity. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on anything you're using. So what you want to do is go over to your browser of choice and then just search up Unity. So for this instance, we're going to be using Google Chrome. So once you type in Unity, all you want to do is go ahead and click on it. And you're going to see a lot of different options here. But as soon as you open up the website, which is unity.com, you're going to see download Unity right here. Now, this is also it's gonna ask you to create an account and everything. So just make sure you can continue with whatever, or you can sign in if you already have an account. Then it's gonna ask you to accept some terms of service and everything. So all you want to do is go ahead and do that. And then it's going to look something like this. It says your download's going to begin automatically. And then all you got to do is choose exactly where you want it. So as you can see on the top right, I don't have it yet. So all I want to do is choose the x64 for Windows, since I am on Windows. Then just go ahead and let it install. Once the setup is downloaded, it's going to run this thing here, which is the Unity setup. Go ahead and click agree, and then you're going to be able to install it wherever you want. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.